Hello everyone! I have a question for you. What did you do yesterday? Maybe you made a cake for your mom's birthday. Or you just did a dinner for yourself. Perhaps you did cleaning or gardening. I suggest you have noticed that I used make and do in every sentence. So today we are going to make the difference between do and make clear. I've heard a lot of mistakes from even advanced English learners of misusing these two verbs. So why do people make so many mistakes with these two verbs, you would ask? First, that a lot of languages have one word for both of them in English. And as people tend to compare any language with their native one, and it's quite logical that people make this mistake. Second, make and do are also confusing because there are no standard rule that explains the usage of both words completely. Third is that hundreds of daily situations and dialogues require both of them. So the topic is worth to be discussed. And I hope after this video you won't have any problems with make and do. So the main difference between them is that make means to create something absolutely new or to construct something absolutely new that wasn't real before. Yeah. For example, I made a cake for my mom for my mom's birthday. Yeah. Or she made a dollhouse. And do means to do absolutely daily activities. Yeah. It means that something you do is referred to daily activities and is referred to routine. So for example, do your work, do your job, and so on. I did my work for 2 days, 2 hours ago. So we understand that it means that we did our daily task, yeah, our daily activities a few hours ago. Let's make some examples to make you more confident in this topic. So if we take do in consideration, we need to remember that we use do when we're talking about some daily activities. Yeah. I did my paperwork for 2 days 1 hour ago. I did a research for my project. But I made a mistake because the mistake you made never existed before. Yeah, but for that reason we use make. But of course, there are a lot of collocations you need to remember and a lot of collocations which are not really explained by this only one rule. To understand the collocations better, I'm going to make some examples for you, yeah, and if you will have any questions concerning one of the collocations and concerning any other things I'm going to tell you, please ask the question in the comments section below. So, as I said to you before, another case we use make or do is referred to the row of collocations we will be discussing for next few minutes. We use do when we have a necessity to evaluate the quality of an action, how bad or good was something done. For example, do badly, do well, do good, do your best, do your worst. Do badly, it means to do something with bad result. Do good means to do something with a good result. Do your best means to do everything you could or had opportunities to do. And do your worst, it means do generally nothing concerning some things to be good or to be bad. Yeah, it's more even about doing everything to make something worse, yeah, than it is. So let's make some examples. I did my worst on exam because I haven't prepared enough for taking it successfully. I did my best for being beautiful on the wedding party because I went to a beauty bar, I did my hair, I did my nails. So generally, I did everything for being perfect. Yeah. Do well. I did well on exam. Yeah, so it was okay generally. Yeah, nothing really special. Um, and so on. I think is clear. The point is clear. So next usage of do is when we're talking about house chores. So do all of the house chores and housework. So there are like do washing, do ironing, do laundry, do cleaning, do gardening, and so on. So I did gardening 2 hours ago while my mom was doing laundry. Yeah, or I did all of the house chores, including cleaning and ironing. Yeah, or she did everything about house chores. Yeah, she did washing, laundry. Oh, sorry. She did washing, ironing, and so on. Yeah. Next case we use do. It is when we are talking about all work kinds. So do your work, do your job, do your homework, do your paperwork, do research, do business, and so on. So she did her work for today, yeah, by writing an essay. Yeah, for example, she did all of the job. She did her job for today. No, she did homework 2 hours ago by handling with math, physics, and chemistry. He does his paperwork in the morning. If it's not clear, please try to make some examples by yourself. If it's still not clear, please ask some questions here in the comment section below or via Facebook. Next case, we use do. It is when we're talking about different beauty stuff. So do hair, do nails, and so on. So I've already made an example concerning being prepared to wedding. Yeah, I said that I did all of the beauty stuff. Yeah, I did my nails, I did my hair, and so on. So when we're talking about beauty stuff, we use do. And of course, I haven't forgotten about doing a course, which is almost the same with taking a course. Yeah, so for example, I did a course of English 2 years ago. Yeah. Next case we use do is do a crossword. So my mom likes to do crossword. It is her hobby. Do a damage or do a harm. For example, my mom did a lot of harm for my house by giving me those pills. Yeah. Next case we use do is do a drawing, do a painting. So when we paint, we can say that we do painting. Yeah, she does painting every day, and so on. Do an exam, do an exercise, do a task, do a test, everything that are about doing some things. Yeah, so it's like about doing work. Yeah, so we use do. Next case is do a favor. It is a collocation, so doing someone a favor, we use with do. So she did me a favor when took me to the English course. So yeah, so she did something good for me. Yeah. Did the shopping. I think everyone knows this collocation, especially girls, so it doesn't need any explanations, I hope. Next, we're going to take in our consideration is make. So I think I wouldn't categorize the phrases as we did with do, as here is more effective to learn the most common phrases. Yeah. So if we're talking about making some changes, some amends or difference, we use make. So when we want to make something new, to change something, to make some differences, yeah, in particular sphere, use make. Because again, it is to create something new, yeah, to change something that was before into something that is going to be, yeah. Make an appointment or make an arrangement. For example, I made an appointment with the dentist. Make someone to believe in something is kind of enforce someone to believe in particular thing or person, yeah. So she made me believe in the right ideas of her. To make a choice is to choose something particular if there are a lot of options. So she made a choice by choosing the marine biology program. Make a complaint. When you're complaining, yeah, you can say that you made a complaint. Make a decision, which is the same to decide. She made a decision yesterday concerning her concerning being fired or being retired. Yeah, doesn't matter. Make an effort. So when you're making a lot of efforts, you do everything you could, yeah, to get something. So she made a lot of efforts to enroll to this university. Make a discovery, but remember, do a research. Make an exception. She's not going to make an exception about students' enrollment. Make a face is used when you don't like something and because of it you changed your face expression. For example, she made a face when tasted this cake because she didn't like it, yeah. Make an impression. I think you know the phrase, make the first impression on a person, yeah. So she made the greatest first impression at the meeting because she prepared her presentation at quite a good level, yeah. Make an offer, so to propose something to someone. Because she made me an offer to be employed this company. Make money, make a fortune, make a profit, make an income, make a payment. So a lot of stuff that is connected to money, to making money, we use with make. We use make instead of the verb earn, yeah. So when you earn money, you directly make money, yeah. So she makes an annual income of $1 billion, yeah, or she made a fortune on gambling, yeah. Make a noise or make a sound, yeah. When we create some sounds or noise, we use the verb make. Make a point. So to be right at something, yeah, she made a point, so she was right, yeah, we agreed that she was right. Make a progress. So when you're progressing at something, you can say that she made a big progress or I made a big progress and so on. Yeah, make a trouble. So it means to cause some problems, to cause some issues to someone or to yourself even, yeah. She made a trouble when came to our meeting, yeah, because she spoiled something, yeah. Next collocation we're going to discuss is make a speech. So to prepare a speech, to create a speech, we again use with make because again it's creating something new, yeah. Make a way. So if you want to say that I made my way through the big issues, yeah, you can say it, it's right, yeah. Next case we use make is make your mind up. make sure is being absolutely confident concerning the thing. Yeah, she made me sure by accepting my application. Yeah, that I'm going to enroll to university. I don't know why I'm making all of the examples about university, but it's just coming into my mind. Okay, so guys, that's almost it. There were the most important collocations with both make and do. The collocations, oh, sorry, I forgot one. Yeah, one of them, which is quite important because we use time for with both, with do and make, but there are different meanings. Yeah, when we say to do time, it means to be in present. It means to be to put up with some difficult circumstances. Yeah, when you don't like something but you need to do your time. And to make time, it means to find time to do something. Yeah. So guys, I know that learning the difference between make and do isn't an easy task. It requires dedication, commitment, and consistent practice, but I believe that you can do it. And I hope you will not have any complexities with the topic. So if you have any questions, please ask me in the comment section below. I will answer it as soon as I get it. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe to my channel, click thumbs up, and wait for my next videos. See you